policy, the national education policy, the draft of it that's just come out, I would congratulate the people who have written it because it has a lot of things in it that are forward-looking. In particular, the inclusion of learning outcomes of children as an important goal that policy will pursue. The inclusion of learning outcomes as a matter of national policy. This is the first time there is an explicit acknowledgement of the centrality and importance of learning outcomes. Secondly, the creation of a cadre of administrators that are dedicated for education service is extremely helpful, because people are, IAS officers are shifted from portfolio to portfolio, and it needs quite a lot of accumulation of sector-specific knowledge in order to make sensible policy for education sector. And therefore, it's extremely helpful if there's a dedicated education service. So that's also a very good thing. There are a number of other very positive things in the new education policy. However, there are also some big gaps and disappointments. In particular, although you are including learning achievement levels as an important goal of education policy, and you are seeking to include it in a revised version or an amended version of the Right to Education Act, there is very little specificity around it. Who will ensure that learning outcomes are targeted and achieved? By what time frame will this be done? These specificities are lacking. And if we are to avoid the kind of situation that we faced with the National Education Policy of 1992 or 1986 as revised by 1992, it was never really properly implemented. So to ensure that this National Education Policy, the new one that's being framed now, does not meet the same fate, it needs to have much more specific provisions. So that's point number one.